PDJ Vibro is the country's leading supplier of vibratory, barrel and centrifugal finishing machines, consumables and services. As such, we wish to share with you some simple hints and tips to make sure you get the very best out of your vibratory finishing installation. The most common problem operators face when using the Vibro finisher in terms of maintenance is that they will witness excessive foam being produced from the machine after an extended period of time. And intuitively, they'll decide to reduce the amount of compound or liquid soaps in the machine to reduce the foam. In fact, this is the worst thing you can do. Without using the right levels of liquid compound, you will find that you'll have issues with corrosion and consistency of your finish.
If you have foam or high water levels, the solution is simple. Here's what you need to do. First of all, clear the media away. Once you've cleared down to the drain, push through and clear out the holes. The next step is to check your drain hose. With the screwdriver, unscrew the two Jubilee clips, one off your machine and the one on your waste tank. Then, take off the two hoses, each ends, bring a container over and just drain out any loose material that's stuck in that hose. And then you should have a nice clean hose. Next, put the hose ends back on to your two fittings, not forgetting to put your Jubilee clips back on and tighten up. Your machine should now be ready for operation again.
The second most common scenario we see is that after a period of time, parts no longer unload across the separation system or they damage within the machine. This is simply due to media wearing and the media level being reduced. This can easily be remedied simply by topping up with your finishing medias, and this should be done to within an inch or two of the lip of the machine or the unload system. To learn more about vibratory finishing or to resolve your finishing issues, contact the experts here at PDJ Vibro.